Mr. John, why you have come to the federal politics?
I'm really upset with what has been going on at the federal level for the last several years, and I could not stand back and do nothing. I had to do something. I'm standing up, and I'm giving the people a choice to replace this corrupt government.
You have already a very good name and fame in the community and doing very well. Are you not putting your political career at stake by entering the fray at the federal level?
I'm standing up for what I am. I'm standing up for what I believe, and I believe that people will respect me for standing up for what I believe and what I stand for.
Mr. Mully is a very strong candidate.
Well, some people say that, but he has his weaknesses. He has not been a very effective member for the Bramalea Gore Malton. He's not been outspoken. He has not spoken for the people, and that's what my strength is. I'm an outspoken person, and I can speak for the people when I have to.
What is your major issue in this election?
Well, the big one that drew me to this was same-sex marriage. I could not live with knowing that this legislation was brought in by this liberal government. That was the one issue that drew me to the run for the federal. And then, of course, the corruption in government, the dishonest government. I work hard for my money, and my children work hard for their money. People work hard for their money, and I don't want to see our money stolen and given to their friends.
There was a very important issue when this election started, that was corruption. But now in the statements of Honorable Mr. Harper, we hardly find anything. He's talking about more populist mayors to attract the voters, as liberals do.
Well, corruption is it's there always in the forefront. Now, there's other issues that have to be addressed. Healthcare, gun control, crime. These are all issues that have to be addressed. They're very serious issues that have to be addressed. And Mr. Harper is covering all the issues. He's not just sticking with the one issue. He's going across the board, and all the issues have to be identified. So that's what he's doing. He's one by one. He's addressing all the issues. And
how the response you're getting, because normally it is considered Ontario as a pro-liberal.
The response I'm getting from the doors when I'm knocking is it's time for a change. These people have been around too long. They've become very uncooperative in the sense that they become, the people know that they've been there too long, and they know that the Liberals have not been affected.